Okay, to change image sizes on your website, head to the media storage, then on the image select edit. Now you can choose from various custom sizes or regular sizes for Instagram, Facebook, etc., square, widescreen, or you can drag the box around to make your own custom size image. Once you're happy, apply the change, press save. If you now change the name, it will save a separate copy of that image. If you leave the name the same, it will overwrite the image, so it will change the size of the image on your website. That's all that's involved in changing the size of images already on your website. Once you are finished, press the save button, and when you're ready for it to go live, press publish.